Hello and welcome back for another sweet upload. In this short tutorial, we'll discuss making a simple strawberry compote. A compote is made from pieces of fruit that have been cooked in a sugar syrup. This thick and chunky dessert accompaniment is often served as a sauce with cake, ice cream, mousse, or as a component in a plated dessert. Compotes may be comprised of different berries, sometimes by themselves or mixed with other varieties. Today's recipe may be adjusted with any kind of berries that you prefer. Simply substitute the berries of your choice using the same measurements. Check out the link in the video description for a printable PDF copy of the recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients. There's strawberry puree, sugar, pectin, salt, a larger amount of sugar, and diced strawberries. We'll begin by combining the strawberry puree, the smaller amount of sugar, and the salt on the stove. Bring the mixture to boil under medium heat while stirring occasionally to prevent burning. While the puree is on the stove, combine the larger amount of sugar with the pectin. Be sure to combine thoroughly to achieve even distribution. Once the puree mixture has reached a boil, add the sugar and pectin. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. While constantly stirring, reboil the mixture. Once the boiling point has been reached, continue to cook for 1 minute to ensure the pectin is activated. Stir constantly to prevent burning. After 1 minute, remove from heat. Add the diced strawberries to the hot liquid and stir to combine. The compote is now ready to use warm if you prefer. For later use, transfer the compote to a storage container and place plastic film directly on the product to prevent a skin from forming. For home use, it's best to rapidly chill the product in an ice bath. In a professional setting, the compote could go directly into the walk-in. Some good uses to achieve temperature contrast within a dish would be to serve the compote warm with a cold dessert such as ice cream or mousse. Alternatively, you can serve it cold with a hot dessert such as molten cake or souffle. Compote will also pair very well with waffles or pancakes. Let me know in the comments what you plan to do with your fruit compote. If you have any questions or would like to see a tutorial on a particular product, let me know. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more baking and pastry tutorials. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again for another sweet upload.